First thing I have to do is I need to rewrite this guy as the blob to the 1/2 power. Right? So that f prime is 1/2 times the blob to the negative 1/2 times the derivative of the blob. As long as there's a dx in there, I'm not done. This is 1/2 times the blob to the negative 1/2. What's the derivative of 5x to the 6 minus 12? Derivative of 5x to the 6th is? 30x to the, and the derivative of minus 12 is? 0. See how easy it's becoming? The basics. The basics, not the more complicated ones, but the basics. And you just can leave it that way for now. You can see we'll have to simplify it later on if we want to find where the tangent is 0. Okay, what do I do with the next one? What's the blob? 3x to the 4th minus 7x squared plus 9, right? So the variable is t. F prime of t, 5 times the blob to what power? Times the derivative, but derivative is in t, of who? 3t to the 4th minus 7t squared plus 9. Derivative of the blob, right? So it's 5 times the blob to the 4th times the derivative of 3t to the 4th is? A third. Almost did that. Derivative of 7t squared? And a derivative of 9 is? 0. And so I need to have enough room to write this stupid thing. 3t to the 4th minus 7t squared plus 9 to the 4th and 12t cubed minus 14t, and that is the derivative of that guy. More Monday, but practice over the weekend.